Europe's heat pump market is exploding. But are you missing out? With EU Green Deal pushing 30 million heat pumps by 2030, demand is skyrocketing. Meet Heen Renewablescom, China's top 3 air source heat pump manufacturer. Minus 38 degrees extreme climate operation. Scop up to 5.24/energy bills by 60%. Plug and play design 50% faster installation. Our B2B partners earn 35% gross margin. Dedicated technical support. Co-marketing funds. Join global partners. DMU partner now.